fam, it's your boy Jason, coming to you from Driver Motorsports. Hope you guys are doing great, doing awesome. Got a little event going on today. See what's popping. Okay, so we got us boosted in a Miata. The little intercooler down there. Very dope. Bet this thing will be fun with the Vors wheels. Pretty meaty tire for a Miata. And then we got us a super clean Toyota GR86. The white wheels from the Artisan wheels. Novia, one of them, yeah, Artisan, Novia, something or others, I don't know. One of them fmic industry wheels, but I like the blue for sure. And then we got us a VA WRX on some NKs. Okay. Then we go from the VA to the blah blah wagon, the old school NK wheel. Okay, very nice. Super clean wagon. I really like these. Okay, I almost fell down the hill, but it's cool. The wagon's worth it. Old school Momo steering wheel, very nice. Red 8.6 sitting on some rays, very clean. The supercharged V6 Ford Probe. Yeah, you don't see many of these. It's super clean, chrome wheels. Very nice little setup. I love the copper color on this 240. Sitting on some wheels that look very similar to mine, but you know, they're XXRs. Got the Brid Low Maxes though. Okay. Quick release steering wheel. That's a fun little car, I'm sure. And we got the new Z in white with the Forge rays from factory. Very nice. You don't see a lot of these. Apparently they're still really hard to get. Oh, there's our car. This ain't your typical Accord. You see it with the, I believe these are Vors wheels. Pretty clean look, you know, engine bay. Got the Spoon Sport intake. The license plate got me to scraping by. That's hilarious. Big old Wang Gang too. Sure. Okay, got a clean little 350Z. The Cosmo wheels. Okay. Ooh, pretty yellow Z06 C6. VASTI. Take a look at this though. This is what I was waiting to see. There's a few people around it earlier. Now we get to take a look. Ooh, okay, dude, this thing is super clean. We'll pop under the engine bay. And we get the sparkle on the intake. Okay, an R33 Skyline, super clean. The forbidden Skyline that everybody hates, but I like them. The Nissan Cedric sitting on the BBSs. Super dope little right-hand drive. There's some more right-hand drive stuff from Driver Motorsports. Well, we are here, ladies and gentlemen, Driver Motorsports. There's our wide body K-truck. This thing is beautiful. I love the purple. Fitment is on points. Okay, very nice. Has the roll cage. The very old school Momo steering wheel. Very dope. Super clean car. Okay, got the fender flares with the work VS's. So clean. Pop a look over here because you know it's right-hand drive. It's coming from Driver Motorsport. Yeah, it's got some Brid seats in here. Super hard to see because of the tint, but y'all see anything other than my ugly mug? There you go. Okay, R32 on a set of Ray Gremlite 57 DRs in that beautiful gunmetal blue. Okay, this thing is sexy. Carbon fiber front lip. Okay, yeah, dude. What's the price on it? It's a 91 Skyline. What's the price on it, pal? GTR, more than you can afford. Okay, look at this beautiful Evo 8 or 9 on the Gram lights. So clean. Another gunmetal blue. Looks so good with the blue and the inserts of the Recaros. I don't know if you can see or not. Kinda. We'll try. But yes, dude, this thing is so dope. Just because I'm a Subi head don't mean I'm a Evo hater. Because this thing is beautiful. Some couple clean S300s, very nice. And then we go down here to the Brat machine. Got us a super clean RX-7. Sitting on some Otegis. Okay. V-mount, intercooler, and all that setup. Yeah, dude, this is dope. Dude, I would love to own an RX-7. I think that's one of the JDM legends I would love to own for sure. I mean, I'd like to own them all, but these still are semi-obtainable. They're not like GTRs and Supras, you know, unobtainium. Here you go, it's the dad spec Skyline. The 4-door, old school 3-spoke wheels. Okay, advanced wheels at that. Look at the interior though. Ooh. Super good. Oh, I'm too close to music. Okay, y'all, take a look at this beautiful Mark III Super sitting on some matte black XXRs. Okay, we'll go from that. That's not what's important. This beautiful 1J there with the HKS valve cover. Okay, bigger turbo. Super dope setup. The guy said it makes like 455 wheel. That's plenty in the car this way. I bet this thing is a freaking riot. Decent little meaty tire. Some little NT555s. Very nice. It has been a super dope turnout here at Driver Motorsport, ladies and gentlemen. Shit loud. Straight up drift car. Okay. Got the super light stage wheels, powder coated to match the wrap. Okay. 2JZ. No shit. Stock turbo location too. Look at them. Looks like it's only one day. So they trying. You know, I like this thing. Woo. RC car is going wild today. Corbo buckets. Yeah, the hydro, slick shifter, all set up on some gnarly gauges. Hell yeah, dude. Got the big old blast pipe coming out of this S14. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have us a S14 with the RB26 in here, tube front end, super clean. Got the drift stitches to prove that he be doing things with this. It ain't just for looks. Super dope body kit. Not sure what brand it is. MST. Okay, yes sir. RB26 S14. Oh, well, okay. Straight up drag car right here. Shit. Big old Hoosiers. A little Corvette. Okay. This is wild, guys. I like it. Okay, let's take us a quick peek at the shop. Alright. And so the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. All kinds of dope stuff in here. There we go. It's a 1JZ chilling. 2JZ. RD in the Datsun. Oh, look at this engine bay. That thing is super clean. Look at that manifold. Okay. Wowzers, guys. Take a look at this bad boy. I bet you could stand on that splitter, no problem. Big old giant intercooler. Super light RX-7, carbon fiber hood. Big wing. I get a better look. Okay, yeah, dude, this thing is sick. Ooh, got us the spec under the sheets. Okay, yeah, no poor people over here. I'll leave now. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, and the beautiful RX-7 in red. Okay. Yes, sir. Get a quick little zoom in on the wheels. Very nice. And there's the Dyno. Might see if we can't get the Subaru on there today. We'll see. Okay, this badass. I guess it's a chaser maybe. It's making 505 on the dyno. Super clean. Trying to talk to the guy driving this thing to get the Subi on the dyno, so you guys just wish me luck. Hopefully we can get it on there today. Yeah, dude. This thing is a beast. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, got some good news, got some bad news. Bad news is we're not going to be able to dyno the Subaru today because they don't have it set up to do all-wheel drive stuff today. So we're gonna have to make an appointment. Good thing is, already scheduled that, so that'll be coming up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Ooh, okay. Super clean Beamer pulling up, y'all. They like BBS's, but they got BMW center caps. So clean. I like the white lug bolts. Little carbon fiber lip on the trunk. Okay, very clean. Ooh, very clean. Let's go. HKS style intake. Let's go. That's so dope. Okay, take a peek in here at this beautiful brown leather, but check out the rear seat delete. Full carbon fiber. Okay. Dude, this thing is beautiful. Evo 4? All white? The white in case? Okay, dude. See if they're gonna let me leave with this today. I think they would. Probably not. They said I'm broke. Ooh. RX-7, super clean, right hand drive. Oh, I like the blue on this RX-7. This one's real pretty. You got the big wing too. I liked it. Like the Mazda Speed wing, I think. Oh, it's an Affinity series too. Yeah, dude. Okay, very dope. Got the Gloria. Got us a clean Prelude. Big fan of the Prelude, even though this one's an automatic, but you know, manual swap away from being super dope. Okay, Evo 5 with the aftermarket front bumper, it looks like a whole aftermarket kit. Got the even wider than factory fender flares and side skirts. Okay, big wang in the back. Okay, it's pretty clean. Evo 5 in white. You know I love white cars. And it's got the ground light 57s on there and that mag blue, super clean. All kinds of dope stuff. Ooh, oh, we need that. That's way cooler than our minivan. Right hand drive minivan. I mean, if I gotta have a minivan, why not? Okay, we'll take a quick look at this MR2 with the BBS's. Red with the gold wheels, classic combo. Very dope. Got the side skirt extensions. Right hand drive too, baby. All right. Yes, sir. Man, they say if you can keep these things in the road, they're a ball of fun. The little right hand drive Nissan's pretty unique. I like it. Got the front mount intercooler. See the piping peeking through. There we go. This thing is pretty dope. Oh, and it's already 5-speed. Let's go. And I got a little wing. Shit. This dude would be pretty fun to drive for sure. Definitely be cool with the little cars. When he pulled up the Cars and Coffee, people are like, what you driving? It's just a Nissan. Okay, super dope. S15. Upgraded front mount. Looks like some work Kwamis. Very nice. The 90s blue interior. Very clean. No cracks in the dash. Some aftermarket gauges up top. Okay, dude. Really like the S15. They'll become unattainable before long anyway, but they're super dope. Saw a license plate caught my attention. It says Gap Game. You can come over here and look at the LS with the carbon fiber intake manifold. Over here at this giant freaking turbo. Okay, dude. Yeah, I bet this thing do be scaring people. Then you go over here and look at this giant meaty tire. It's on a legit beadlock wheel. Big freaking meaty tires. This is bad. Homie got that eat. Okay guys, that's going to do it for us here at Driver Motorsport. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, smash that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And make sure you guys are subscribed because we're going to get this thing on the dyno real soon. All the information's lined up. And before you guys know, we'll be back here again trying to see what kind of power our girl makes. So until next time, peace.